Alright everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I just want to say real quick, I think I figured things out here. If you haven't subscribed, do now. Hit the like button. Alright, for this video I want to talk about what I'm gonna do. Okay guys? So my channel started out as a meditation channel. I've gone all crazy with it. It's messy. But I've re-encountered myself again. Okay? I know the lighting's off, people, but can you see the peace behind me? Positive energy, positive vibes. Y'all see that? Alright, I want to do, I don't know, maybe the top 5 places to meditate, or the 5 top best places to meditate, or the top 3 places to meditate, or who knows, maybe we'll do all of them. But for right now I want to focus on the best places to meditate. Okay, so comment, let me know what you guys' ideas, or if you have any ideas. You know, just comment, let me know. I'm gonna start this tomorrow. Okay, I'm gonna load this video up tonight. I know it's not the right time because it's the weekend, but I'm gonna load it up anyways because I have faith in myself and I know that this is what my channel is supposed to be about. This is what my channel is supposed to be about. Okay, so I've relocated from Tampa, Florida. Okay, I'm in Miami, Florida. I had no destination. I ended up here. With that being said, who knows, maybe I'll travel other places in the States and maybe find the top places to meditate in America or in the world. Who knows? Who knows? Possibilities are endless, people. Okay? Again, follow me. Subscribe if you haven't. Like my video. Let's make this work. Alright? This is the beginning of a new beginning. I know that sounds crazy, but it's the beginning of a new beginning. The new beginning of a new beginning. Alright? So we'll see. We'll see you tomorrow for a video on how to meditate and at one of the top places. Okay? Or one of the best places. Or, you know, we'll figure it out. We'll work it out. We'll you know, I'm gonna keep you guys in touch. You guys will see. Alright, I'm trying to do at least 2 videos a day. And I'm gonna start another channel, you know? So here we go. Shout out to Think Media, you know, shout out to YouTube. Thank you guys. Thank you for letting me, you know, take this opportunity and stride with it. Leap of faith, right? Because I left Tampa. Didn't even know where I was going. But I said to myself, you know what? If everywhere I go, no matter where it is, there's gonna be negative energy, that means it's time for me to kick rocks. Yeah, I can't put positive energy in everybody. I can only put positive energy in myself and then let everyone follow. You understand? So I get away, and then once I pick all that positive energy up and I know that negative is gone, now I go back and then I show everyone. Okay? I love you guys. Self-love is the best love, people. Remember it. We're in Miami, Florida now. Okay? Let's see where this takes us. Who knows? Who knows? Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, people. It's going to be all about how to meditate, how to love yourself. It's going to be meditation channel / love podcast. Alright? Where we talk about meditation, loving yourselves, different kinds of things. Love you, people. God bless.